Prepositions of movement help us describe how things move from one place to another. Today, we focus on one special preposition, across. Across shows movement from one side of something all the way to the other side. Across means moving from one side to the other side completely. Imagine a river. You start on this side and swim or walk until you reach that side. That's across. It shows the full journey from side to side through a space or surface. Listen to these examples. To get to the other side of the creek, go across the bridge. He swam across the river. Be careful when you walk across the street. They are traveling across the field on horseback. Each sentence shows complete movement from one side to the other. Swim across the river means going from one riverbank completely to the other riverbank. Walk across the street means starting at one side of the road and reaching the opposite sidewalk. These show across always means the full crossing. Across the river means you cross completely from one side to the other through the water. Over the river means you move above the water surface like a bridge or airplane. Across touches the surface. Over stays above it. The dog ran across the park from one side to the other side. Birds fly across the sky going side to side. Now practice. She jumped across the puddle means she went from one side of the wet puddle to the other side completely.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.